How to apply custom fonts on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. If you want to change your phone's font style and give your device a brand new vibe, in this video I'll show you how to apply custom fonts on your Android device. It's pretty easy, fast, and no rooted is needed. So the very first thing you want to do is open up settings, and then from there you want to head over to your display settings. So let's just head over to display. And then you want to find font size and style over here and then tap on it. So here are quite a few font styles that you already have. So what you want to do is tap on font style. And then I already have a few fonts over here. Now you want to go ahead and tap on download fonts over here. It's going to take you directly over to Galaxy Store or any other store that you have on your device. So what you're going to have to do is scroll down here and find the font that you want to download. So let's just say I want to download this one over here. You can see these are not free fonts, but if you want to find some free fonts, you can tap on top free and you'll see all of these fonts over here. I can even search for free fonts over here, and then it's going to show me some fonts. Now you can tap on any font that you want and tap on the download button right besides it. So I can just go ahead and tap on this download button and it will start downloading. Now if the font is not free, then you need to go ahead and add your card to be able to purchase this. I'm going to continue with a free font over here that is Galaxy Gameplays. So I'll just install this font and it will be added to my font library, which I can then use. So I can just tap on it over here and then use it as my font. So tap on apply down below. You can even see samples of it, but it has already been applied on my device. So everything right here looks a bit different and they have a different font. So I can go to settings, and as you can see here, the text is a bit different. That's basically it, guys. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.